Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my fruit smoothies. So the fruit that I have to make my smoothies, I have some sliced frozen strawberries, some pineapple chunks, I have a whole banana, I have orange juice, honey, and I have yogurt. So you can use whatever ingredients you want for your smoothie. These are my two favorite yogurts that I like to use for my smoothies. Today I'm going to go with just the French vanilla yogurt, but this one is Greek yogurt and it is blueberry cream, but we're just going to use the original French vanilla. So, and I don't have a blender, but this is the Ninja Master Prep, and it comes with two containers. It comes with the large one, and it comes with the small one. So I guess you can use this as a blender, but if you don't have this, you can also use a regular blender. But I didn't want to pay an expensive amount for a blender, and this was only $40 and you get two pieces. And it works perfectly fine. Like, I love it. So, I'm going to take some pineapple chunks. And you can use frozen blueberries, mangoes. You can use whatever you want, but I do prefer that you use frozen fruit so you can get that nice consistency. So I'm going to use 1/4 cup of frozen pineapples. I'm adding a little bit more. Okay. Then I'm going to add also 1/4 cup of sliced strawberries. Well, these are huge. Look how big these strawberries are. Some big strawberries. Some big strawberries. So, add that in there. I'm going to add this whole thing of yogurt. You can use a half container of yogurt, but this is 1 serving. And yeah, I'm just going to do that. Actually, let me see. I may actually add less. Oh yeah, it's not that much yogurt in there, look. So I'm just going to add this whole container. It's not a lot of yogurt at all. Yeah, so 1 container is a good amount, as you can see. Then I'm going to add a whole banana. You can use half of a banana, but I'm just going to add the whole thing in. And this should keep me full until lunchtime. So this is why I'm adding so much into one smoothie, because I want it to be filling. So I'm just going to break the banana up and put it into the smoothie. Also, I'm going to add a small amount of honey, because sometimes the frozen fruit can be a little bit sour. But I tend to get this brand. When I buy this brand of fruit, it's not sour. So I like to buy Dole brand of frozen fruit because it's a little bit more sweeter. But I'm still going to add just a tad bit of honey into this. Just a little. There you go. And then I'm going to add some orange juice. Just a small amount. You can add more orange juice if it's too thick, but I'm gonna start off with a small amount. probably 1/4 cup. Let's do 1/4 cup. And you can add whatever kind of juice you like. You don't even have to add juice. You can add like milk if you want, but I like orange juice because I like that tanginess from the orange juice. And then with the Ninja Master Prep, it comes with this lid. Rinse it off. It comes with this lid. You can just put it on there. Hopefully I got it on there right. I usually don't use this one. I usually use the smaller one, but I'm gonna start using the big one. I believe I have it on there right. Maybe not. Let's see. There you go. Then I'm gonna take the top, which goes like that. Well, that's pretty cool. So, this is what it looks like. The Ninja Prep blender. And I'm just going to parade it. Sorry about the loud noise. It is going to be a little loud. So, excuse me. Let's look. So here's the smoothie. It's nice and thick. I like my smoothies a little bit on the thicker side, so that's like perfect. And you can see that this little $40 blender actually blended it very well. So yes, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the smoothie recipe. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Just leave it down in the comment section. I will use it. Well, I will put the exact measurements in the description box. So if you would like to make the smoothie at home for yourself, I will leave it down in the description box. But I also have other videos. Currently, I'm making beef jerky. I will have that video uploaded as well. So if you're wondering how to make beef jerky, just look at my video on my channel, and then it will give you a nice description on how to prepare it. Thank you and have a nice day.